Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Welcome to Backspace. In this step-by-step tutorial, we will learn how to add a page border line in Microsoft Word quickly and professionally. Page borders are commonly used in assignments, certificates, projects, resumes, official document and creative layouts to make pages look clean, formal and visually attractive. Many users struggle to find the page border option or apply it correctly. This video demonstrates simple and accurate methods to insert, customize and control page border line without disturbing document formatting. So let's get started. We can see here many pages to this document. Now I want to add the page border to all page or line border. Go to the design menu, then click page border option and we can see here many border like box border, shadow border, 3D border, custom border. You can choose anything. Now I am like select this shadow border. Then you can select dot, dash or double line, triple line, etc. or the zigzag line border. Now you can change this color of this border. Now I am select this line border. Select the box, then click OK. And we can see we make the line border easily. Otherwise you can control this border, like you can change the color of this border, you can increase the white, otherwise you can add the graphical content border. Now I am change the color of this border and increase the white. Now we can see we insert border very easily. You can change the border or select another border easily. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.